Today we are going to read a friendly letter, and we are going to label the parts of our friendly letter. So our letter was written on April 6th, 2016. And we learned from yesterday that we always put a comma after the day, but before the year. Because when we read this, we say April 6th, 2016, and this comma tells us to pause. So let's see what we remember about writing friendly letters, especially our greetings and our closings. Dear Amanda, comma, thank you for inviting me to your birthday party. I had a lot of fun. I loved your cake with a horse on it. I like horses too. My birthday is in 2 months. My uncle said I could let everyone take a turn riding his horse, Leroy. I hope you will get to come to my party. I will send you an invite closer to time. Your friend, comma, Mary. Okay, let's see what we need to label using our colors. It says color the signature purple. I know signature is where we sign our name. So she signed her name right here. It says Mary. So we are going to color Mary purple, because that is our signature. Okay, it says color the date green. Well, the date of the letter goes at the very top, and we have to put a comma in between the day and the year. So this is our dates. It says to color the closing blue. Remember, the closing is how you end your letter, and your closing has to have a comma before you put your name. So this is our closing right here. Your friend, comma. All of that is part of the closing. Then it says color the body yellow. The body is the real part of your letter, not the beginning, not the end, but what you actually write. So I'm just going to put a box around mine. Because all of that inside is our closing. I mean our body, not our closing. Our closing is blue. Then it says color the greeting orange. Well, if this is our closing, then dear Amanda must be our greeting. And notice there is a comma after the name. Okay, so let's go over our letter together. Our greeting is orange. We write something and the person's name, and we end it with a comma. Our body is yellow, so that's the actual writing part of the letter. Our closing is blue. That's where we close our letter, your friend, comma. Our date is green. We always put the date up top. And our signature goes after our closing. The signature is not part of the closing. It's after the closing.